Hello, welcome to Walkabout Town. It's the Air Show. Let's do this. Hello. Well, of course, here we are in Blackpool. Of course, today is the second day of the Air Show, which happened, which first started yesterday. Well, of course, we're here today. We actually got here early.
Very early.
Very early. In fact, we dragged ourselves out of bed at 6 o'clock this morning to get here.
We did, yes.
And have some bit of fungus breakfast over at CJ's Cafe. Nice breakfast, by the way.
Beautiful. Recommend it.
Recommend it. Full compliments to the people who run the place as well. So, well done to them. In fact, you'll probably see some pictures of that, of our nice breakfast. Anyway, but of course, as you see behind us, is a replica of the Spitfire, which is...
So that what was on Green Square?
I believe that was the one that was on Green Square. It is £10 to go and sit in the cockpit, if you would like to do that, but we're not doing that. No, I think you and I would struggle getting in that cockpit, actually. I was getting up in it. Yeah.
Anyway, check out our t-shirts.
Look at our t-shirts. I'm with Centuri, and she's got hers, MG Vlogs. We're also filming segments for each other videos. So
Yeah, we are. Yeah. Take it in turns.
take it in turns.
His phone's better, a man's wobbly.
Yours is wobbly. That's because it's my old...
This is old phone.
It's actually my old phone. I donated to Maxie. Yeah.
So I know I've got the wobble.
So now she's got the wobble. Right. Take a look around.
Let's do this.
We've got the Spitfire here, and as you can see, there's the old fuel truck that used to fill it up, you know, World War II. There, it's really nice. Looks beautiful, doesn't it? Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah. Of course, there's always the hot dogs. Of course, as I said, it's £10 to sit in the cockpit. Yeah. Minimum age 8 years of old, maximum weight 15 stone. No back, hip or knee problems. So that would definitely have to be the max.
I've got knee bursitis. It's taking ages to heal.
Yeah. So let's take a look at the beach. This is how busy it's going to get. It's going to get a lot busier than this. Let me tell you. First up,
Where are we going to watch it from?
Where are we going to watch it from? That's the good question.
Let's go down here.
Let's go down there. Some people set up with the cameras already. Well, some people got the cameras at the ready, haven't they? There's a lot of music playing in the background. I have to talk a bit louder because of the music, because Brian Adams is singing. Oh, look at that. This is everyone on the beach there. Just, hello. Enjoy yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. There's a lot of people.
To the steps.
To the steps.
We're all right here. Yeah.
I mean,
you're all right here.
well, of course, in high tide it does come right up, but that's not often. Still work. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. And there goes the big wheel, rolling, going around as usual. Yeah. There goes. Well, there was a little accident a few days ago at the Central Pier. But, they've sorted that out. Apparently someone's left a trapdoor. Apparently, yeah. So, yeah. Fudge stalls there. Look at that, got a fudge stall. Well, pick and mix actually, but no, it's not a fudge stall, it's actually pick and mix. What I'm talking about. Yeah. What about the pick and mix is probably quite pricey. Yeah. Oh, I wouldn't say I would probably have one. Would you?
Yeah. It's a day out.
It's a day out. Enjoy yourself.
You could be penny pinching at home.
Oh yeah. There's a place. Yeah, look at that.
It's busy at SP Holders.
go up here, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, there's the coffee house for those who would like a coffee, and coffee if you want some coffee. You've got fudge nuggets and truffles on that stall over there. If you're feeling rather peckish. Yeah. So we had a full English breakfast, so we're fine. Keep us going. Of course, Maxine wants to try out the horror cafe today.
Yes, that's where I'm going. So check out my vlog, MG Vlogs.
Yeah.
Check out my video,
Yeah, because
MG Vlogs, and it'll be on there.
it'll be on. Again, it's on time. There's plenty of refreshments here, so yeah. Though, oh yeah, it's chicken tenders and dirty chips. Yeah.
Gary loves his food.
I love food. Aberdeen Angus burgers is probably the same quality as like Burger King type burgers, over there. Of course. Yeah, you have to find a good spot. I think Comedy Cab. Oh no, not the Comedy Cab, but that's just great.
You won't get through all these now.
Yeah, it is. As you see, it's getting literally packed out now. Let's have a look at let's go and have a look at the Blackpool station while we're here. Well, look, I got a flight simulator there. See? This is a merchandise. That's the Red Arrows merchandise there.
Yeah, isn't it?
Yeah, you can buy yourself a cap. There's that. There's the flight. There's the Typhoon flight simulator, which costs about £8 to go on. Which you can go on. Yeah.
Right, isn't it?
Yeah. Nice little white knuckle ride on the free seafront. Yeah. Though I'd have to say that I do my virtual flying on a video game with the goggles. Yeah.
You do.
Yeah. Well, there's the lifeboat station over here.
Mama, it's hot.
It's hot.
Yeah.
You're always hot. Well, there's the lifeboat station. Yeah. Look at this. They're always on the ready just in case anything happens. You see? Yeah. That's the big apparatus. There's a big tractor there, isn't it? A churros wagon there. Yeah.
You get 20% off.
Sheep too.
Now we're coming up to the Red Arrows. Just look how busy it is. Man. There's the beautiful tower up there. Oh God, today.
Pay attention.
Couldn't be as busy and not got to be able to move through in a bit. There's the Red Arrows there.
Today I was busy telling everybody to slap it on. We want nobody to look like a lobster. I succeeded in not slapping it on myself, and I'm the one looking like a lobster today. You do not want that look.
It must be there.
Fitting. So, got to slap on and liquid. Entirely up to you what sort of liquid you're going for. Not the
I mean, today.
those two out the way. The other thing that you are most in need of is the Air Show program.
Oh yeah.
Brilliant value for money.
Yeah. It's a permanent day.
All about the Air Show.
Yeah. So I see that. Like a film. I just got that.
Presentation Spitfire.
I think that's the best place.
Yeah, I know.
It's got to be really busy
Limited
here.
edition, and they're doing
I know everybody's getting the spot ready, aren't they? But it's too hot to sit around.
I know. And there's a me mum, we're the one chair, you know.
Oh, have you brought your own chair? Yeah.
Yeah, there's one, you know.
I'm sure most of you are much more capable than I am. So make sure that.
Oh,
How was your year yesterday?
and we weren't, no. But we're going to come yesterday. But then it's raining.
Your ordeal done.
You know.
Now, if you're in the area.
And if you'd like to follow Andy Hallowell, you can follow him on his web. There. Just how busy is it? Yeah. It just sounds like a heritage tank coming up behind. In fact, there it is. It's the open boat tram. 600. There it is. 600 just going by there. Look how crowded that tram is. Yeah. It's a nice day for it anyway.
It's a beautiful day for it.
Yeah. So there's a comedy carpet, and well, of course, the comedy carpet is going to get heaving later on.
Yeah. Gary's going to have the parrot. Has it got a name? Charlie.
As you can see, I've got a parrot on mine.
I've just had it on mine, but just pictures. Oh, it's lovely.
Really cute.
Isn't he?
Hello.
Oh, he's got a dicky bow on his.
Dicky bow, isn't it?
Oh, it's lovely.
Yeah,
So where are you from again? And
We're from Blackpool.
Yeah.
So we're just on Leachfield Road in Blackpool.
Right.
We've got over 200 birds at the moment that are needing new homes.
New homes.
So we're just spreading awareness of who we are because not many people know about us.
No, well, we wouldn't have known. No. So is he a rescue parrot then?
He is a rescue parrot. We've had him for about 5 years.
5 years. Wow.
Yeah. So all of our show birds are rescues.
Right. Yeah. He's lovely.
It's like what kind of parrot is it? Like an orange and blue?
He's a blue and gold macaw.
Oh, right, yeah.
What's his name again?
Charlie.
Charlie.
Yeah.
Does he recognise his name?
He does recognise his name, yeah.
Right, yeah. Charlie.
Charlie. Charlie. Hello, Charlie. Come on.
Step up. Good boy, well
He's
done.
a good boy, Charlie.
Do you want to join the army?
I'll sign you up, Charlie. I'll sign you up.
Just sign me up for the army. There's a tram. It looks like that heritage tram must be going back to the depot because there's no one on it. Right. As you can see up there, people at the top.
Along with the amazing airframe of Manchester,
Of course, we just looked at the North Pier, and there's a handler's on queue to get to the North Pier. £2. Yeah. So. It's a good day for doing jet skiing today. Well, that's been an eventful day, hasn't it?
Yes, it has. It's been good, but busy and hot.
Busy and hot, and of course a big shout out to Patrick, who's the son of one of our subscribers.
Hi, Patrick.
Hello Patrick, hope you're doing well, and hope you're looking forward to our videos. And then in future, you know what to do. Tick the bell for more notifications, and click that like button.
Yeah, we would have
Patrick.
done a shout out when the red arrows went over, but Gary's phone died at that point.
Yeah.
After when it went over, so
Yeah.
we
So
just charged it up a bit in the car.
yeah, so we're just trying to charge it up a bit as best we can.
Yeah.
Anyway, also a nice big shout out to other vloggers we've met today as well, because they were great sports, weren't they?
Yeah, there was, yeah.
Great sports, and that's everybody. I haven't got time to mention everybody. Of course, my phone is dying, so I'll put all the links in the description.
Yeah, we had a real nice breakfast at CJ's.
CJ's.
Beautiful. 10 out of 10 for that.
10 out of 10. Okay,
Yeah, we saw Katie. We're on her video for a little bit. She was doing a vlog. The kids didn't want to come out, but she went out anyway.
Yeah.
And then it just got heaving in the
Oh
afternoon.
my god.
And it's hot, 28 degrees.
Yeah.
But we enjoyed it. It was
We
super.
enjoyed it. That's the main thing. We enjoyed
I think
it.
the typhoon is the best one that's on.
Yeah.
That comes to the show, isn't it?
No, that's the one we just saw through
The red hours as well, but the typhoon is loud, so it's everybody loves it.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to wrap up this video now.
Yes, we're going on the motorway soon.
We're going on the motorway, so see you next time on another video. Bye.
Bye.